Good morning, children. Today is August 15th, the day that India celebrates as Independence Day. 73 years ago, in 1947, on this day of August 15th, India became free from the rule of the British and became an independent country. And since then, Independence Day is celebrated every year to remember the sacrifices that the people of India made then so that we can live the way we want to and not have to do what the Britishers tell us to do. The celebration of Independence Day by the Government of India takes place at a big red building called the Red Fort in New Delhi. Here, the Prime Minister unfurls the Indian flag to the playing of the national anthem and firing of a 21-gun salute. Then he gives a speech to the nation on India's ambitions and goals, followed by the singing of the national anthem and the release of tricolored balloons to the sky. Independence Day is celebrated with a lot of happiness. It is a holiday for everyone, but children go to their schools just so that they can be a part of the celebrations. Some children may dress up as their favorite freedom fighters such as Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh. They sing patriotic songs, make speeches about the freedom struggle, and dance to patriotic songs. After the Indian flag is unfurled, they sing the national anthem Jana Gana Mana, and then sweets are distributed. Do you remember the celebrations at Kedar last year? All of you had come dressed in colors of our national flag, orange, white and green. Then Vijay Raghavan sir unfurled the national flag and we sang Jana Gana Mana together. We had a fun day. But this year, so as to keep safe, away from the coronavirus, we must stay home. But we can still watch the Independence Day celebrations at Red Fort on TV and read books or watch videos on the lives of our freedom fighters. Happy Independence Day!